Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to complete the Canva poster activity. So when you access the slide document here, the next slide over will be the link to Canva. Before you click that, read the directions below. So all you need to do is create a card, business card, infographic, poster, invitation, or flyer on why you think BMI is misleading or not an indicator of how healthy or unhealthy somebody is. What you need to do is create one of those things by including an image and two pieces of information that are at least one sentence long. So you're going to have two sentences total. When you click on the link here, you'll be sent over to Canva. And you'll have to log in with your Google account. It's pretty simple to access. At the top right-hand corner, click Create a Design. And choose between any of these over here. So you could do a poster, infographic, card, anything that you feel is interesting to you. If you simply just click on poster, options to your left will be available for you to create any type of poster you wish. So if I click on this one, I can rearrange it how I want. So you type in BMI, maybe delete the stuff up top, and then maybe start writing in some of the information that I find necessary for the poster. Misleading because, and you can complete that there. Obviously you want to make it a little bigger, so go up here, choose a bigger font. Then you could start deleting any of the images that you don't find necessary for your poster. Maybe even delete that below. You can access more photos and images to make it more appealing here. Simply click on an image like this, add it below, rearrange. And obviously you need two pieces of information, but just for this tutorial, I'll include only one. Once you're finished, you're going to have to make a screenshot. So take a screenshot, highlight it here, then I'll go directly to your desktop. You go back to the slides. Here's an example that I made for myself. You can make it smaller as well, as it's easier to access any open slide. Scroll through here to see if anybody's names has been included, and if not, put in your first name, click Insert, Image, Upload from Computer, find that screenshot and include it right there. You can reposition it however you wish. You can make it larger or make it smaller. That is how you do it. Make sure that your name is included. All right, any questions? Feel free to reach out. Thank you.